about to take my final. It's currently 12:53. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Join the raid train by subscribing and click the bell so the train goes. Woo-woo! Yeah, I'm gonna start the final at 1 because I don't want to start it at an odd time. 2-hour exam. Let's do it. Good afternoon. So I haven't vlogged much at all today, so I thought as some entertainment, I thought I would make supper. On the menu tonight is salad and pasta. I didn't thaw hamburger and I want to put hamburger in the pasta. So we're gonna attempt cooking frozen hamburger. Don't know if it's a good idea, but today has just been a really great day. It just got better and better. It was kind of gloomy at first because nobody was home and it was dark outside, wintry. And then mom came home and then I took my final and I did okay on it. And then the sun came out and then I went to the gym. Then, on top of it all, I shaved my legs. And I put my favorite Christmas smelling cream on them. I did a scrub before I shaved them. And now they're so smooth. It's 6:37. Yes, my family eats extremely late. All right, I'm back and better than ever. I'm about to cook with my hair down. I know. That is not proper food safety. Ladies and gents, if you didn't know, that was really gross. I am certificated in food safety. I know. And I am about to cook without following any of my rules that I learned. I haven't trimmed my nails. I don't have my hair up. My hands are washed. Well, actually they're not. I just went to the freezer to get the meat and the meat is frozen solid. Maybe I do something different. No, we're gonna do it. We're gonna use raw meat. Raw? No. Success in the pantry. Okay, what I'm thinking is while the meat thaws, I'll start cooking this. Let's fill this with water. I know this is gonna sound really stupid, but I don't know how much water to put in.
Not make everything so wishy-washy. Like, try a pound. You need to make the water boil first.
You do?
Read the package.
Should I explain it?
Yeah, I explain it. Yeah, don't just dump it in there, you'll have mush.
Oh, boo! They even say the amount of water. 4 quarts.
Don't. There's a lot of theoretical stuff and not much truth.
Hannah is stressing out with this Bible study. She wants it to be more biblical. So, while we wait, we're gonna open up our Advent thing. Here's 7. Penguin, Santa. I ain't correlate today. I'd say that's boiling enough. Pound of spaghetti.
Look at the operator manual. Almost right.
Try the pasta.
I am.
Yeah. Our restaurant name, I'll let you read that.
Is Woo Woo Cafe.
No. It's good. A restaurant is a new take on gourmet. In gourmet, you usually get a big plate and a small serving. Our restaurant is called
Small plate,
big serving.